6-step plan to success. People with clear, written goals will accomplish far more in a shorter period of time than people without it. To achieve success in any aspect of your life, you need to be clear with what you really want. Imagine yourself going to a place you don't know. You don't know what vehicle to ride. You don't know where are you going. Sa Tagalog, walang direksyon ng pangarap. I am like that 4 years ago. I've experienced a quarter-life crisis and I don't know which path to take. Am I going to climb the corporate ladder or start my own business? Nag-soul searching ako sa mga local places dito sa Pinas hanggang di ko namalayan na paubos na pala ang emergency fund ko. Thank God He unfolds my definite purpose in life just in time. And I can say to you now that I'm in the right path and I'm happy teaching people the basic principles on building a solid financial foundation. And if you want to know more about it, just click the link below this video. I believe that the very first step to success is your desire. Now, I'm going to share in this video the 6-step plan that I learned from the book of Napoleon Hill, Think and Grow Rich. Simulan na natin. Step number 1, you must have a specific goal. It should be specific and measurable. Feel it as if you already have it. Step number 2, you must have a specific time in which to achieve your goal. Goal without a deadline is just a wishful thinking. Put a deadline on it. Step number 3, you must write down your goal. It is half done when you do it. When you make your commitment to a specific goal, write it down and put it where you'll see it often. I wrote mine down on my dream book where I put photos of it also. I divided it into 6 areas of my life: financial, physical, spiritual, intellectual, relationship, and business. Step number 4, you must develop a plan to achieve your goal. Tain Yos says, the will to win is worthless if you do not have the will to prepare. Most people don't plan to fail, they just fail to plan. Step number 5, you must decide the price you're willing to pay. Investing 10,000 pesos a month from fixed income was going to be tough, but nobody said financial independence was easy. I knew I could not do it with my full-time job only. I need additional source of income. To do it, I lessened my sleeping hours, time for gimmicks with friends just to have additional income. I believe in what I am doing, yet there was no way I could achieve my goal if I stay in corporate world. My price would be to give up my full-time job as an accountant. That was the toughest decision of my life, tougher than anything that came later. It was my greatest dream when I was young, and it was a great job. But my dreams for me and my family came first, and I burned my bridges to make a new start at my dreams. Step number 6 and the last, you must think about reaching your goal every day. Walang araw na I didn't think about the goals and dreams I had set in my mind. Thinking about how wonderful and grateful it would be to be totally and financially independent kept me moving a million times when I wanted to quit. My dreams kept me going, but my goals kept me on course. And I'm telling you guys, this is very simple, but very few people do it. We're talking here about something that can help you change your life. I know these 6 steps work, and it works for me, though I'm still in the process of achieving my dreams in life. If you're serious about doing something special with your life, sit down today and get started with a 6 steps plan to success for yourself. You cannot do it overnight. It might take days or weeks, but how bad do you want to be somebody? Again, this is Nel Sembrano from Pinoy Millionaire Mind Club, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like my FB page, visit my website, and email me if you have further questions. Again, you have a millionaire mind, Pinoy. Gamitin po natin. Bye!